Okay, in this video I wanted to show you the application Color, which comes with Final Cut Pro. As you see here, I got 5 clips on the timeline that are I'm going to export out to Color, and we can color correct them. And it's a good thing for you to know how to use as far as helping you with the color correction of your movie trailers. Before we do that, though, just to show you a quick way of color correcting is actually using something inside Final Cut called the 3-way color corrector. If I double click on this clip, go into Effects, Video Filter, 3-way color corrector, and click on this tab up here. This will allow me to boost my saturation, bring my white levels down, and change some basic characteristics. I find that works pretty good sometimes when you just want to do something really quick. But if you want to do something a little more sophisticated, I would use color. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight all these clips, all 5 of them. We're going to go File, Export, actually Send to, Color, and hit OK. And this will automatically open up the color application that comes with Apple. When you first open it up, it's kind of intimidating to look at, but you'll see that once you get the hang of it, it's a little bit better. So over here we have our waveform monitor. It shows me, what our video signal looks like, and we have a Vetroscope, which is down here. You want your blacks to be at 0, your whites to be no brighter than 100. So it looks pretty good there as far as our color. And if you go down here in the timeline, this is where all our clips are. As I scale through them, you'll see all the different clips. So the way color works is you have a few basic setups here. We got primary, secondary, color effects, and then these other ones we're not going to worry about. We have primary out, geometry, still store, and render queue. Render queue is where we're going to export all our stuff at the end. If you go to primary, what this allows you to do is to change the hue of the signal. If you want to add more, you want to get more of the yellow in there, or if you want to get more of a pinkish color, you can go that way with it. It also allows you to control the saturation of a color. If I come over here and hit yellow, and then I come over here and make that yellow more of a saturated color, it really brings a little more saturation to it. And this third one here is a contrast. How dark or bright you want to make an image. There you go. Bring it up, bring it down. And as I do that, it's also changing the waveform monitor. So I usually leave that down at the bottom. And like I said, this is more for a total color of a picture. If you want to reset it, it's this little blue button that's down here. If you hit that, boom, should reset that. And then you can also hit this one up here, and it resets it back to the original color. Any changes that you make along the way. So you can also adjust the midtones, and you can also adjust the highlights. If it's really more or less just playing around with these, doing basic color corrections. If you have something that's not properly white balanced, you can do that fairly easily. And here, just going by the opposite side. If you have a blue picture, then you see here we got the blue on this circle. Then I bring this pointer over here this way, and it usually corrects the white balance.